tab's character animation is from Mixamo. I attached the clothes using the data transfer method. Links to that video below. Under Render Properties, I chose Eevee to save time. Scroll down to Film and check Transparent. In Output Properties, scroll to Output and select PNG or TIFF file format. Change color to RGBA. Render animation. To handle the rendered images, I've put them in their own folder and moved it to the main project. Open the video editor. Under the Add menu, select Image Sequence, highlight all, click OK, and there they are, a manageable strip in the video editing window. I like to use transform on the strip before editing or manipulating.